Exploring idioms. Understanding, living in the shadow. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, living in the shadow. This phrase is rich in meaning and widely used in both spoken and written English. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and we'll explore some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. Let's get started. Living in the shadow refers to existing in a position of less recognition, attention, or success compared to someone else, usually a person close to you or someone with a similar role or relationship. This phrase often implies a feeling of being overlooked or overshadowed by the achievements or presence of another person. The idiom, living in the shadow, is believed to have literary origins, symbolizing how one person can be overshadowed by another, much like how a shadow can obscure something from sunlight. It captures the essence of comparison and competition, where one entity does not receive as much light, attention, or nutrients as it needs to thrive. To use living in the shadow in conversation or writing, it's important to connect it with the context of being overshadowed by someone else. It can be used to express feelings of invisibility, insignificance, or lack of recognition due to the prominence of another person. For example, despite her talents, she always felt like she was living in the shadow of her famous sister. Growing up, he lived in the shadow of his athletic older brother, struggling to find his own path to success. Discussing living in the shadow also provides an opportunity to explore themes of self-discovery, individuality, and breaking free from comparisons. It can lead to positive discussions about finding one's own strengths, talents, and path in life, separate from the influence or expectations set by others. Understanding the idiom, living in the shadow, offers deep insights into the human experience, highlighting the impact of comparison and the journey towards recognizing one's own value. We hope this video has shed light on this expression and encourages you to step out of any shadows you may feel confined by, embracing your unique self. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful lessons on English language learning. See you in the next video.